I love you, babe. You think I'm pretty without any makeup on. You think I'm funny when I tell the punchline wrong. I know you get me, so I let my walls come down. Let's go the way tonight, no regrets, just love. We can dance until we die, you and I. Forever, you make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back. Woke up from dreaming and put on his shoes. Started making his way past 2 in the morning. He hasn't been sober for days. Leaning now into the breeze, remembering Sunday. He falls to his knees. They had breakfast together, but 2 eggs don't last like the feeling of what he needs. Now this place seems familiar to him. She pulled on a sand with a devilish grin. She let him upstairs, she let him upstairs. Left him dying to get in. Forgive me, I'm trying to find my calling. I'm calling at night. I don't need to be a bother, but have you seen this girl? She's been running through my dreams, and it's driving me crazy, it seems. I'm gonna ask her to marry me. Even though she doesn't believe in love, he's determined to call her bluff. Who could deny these butterflies? The feeling is filling it. Waking the neighbors, unfamiliar faces. He pleads, though he tries. He's only tonight. Now he's trying to get inside. Forgive me, I'm trying to find my calling. I'm calling at night. I don't need to be a bother, but have you seen this girl? She's been running through my dreams, and it's driving me crazy, it seems. I'm gonna ask her to marry me. Neighbor said she moved away. Funny how it rained all day. Didn't think much of it then, but it's starting to all make sense. Oh, I can see now that all of these clouds are following me in my desperate endeavor to find my whoever. Speeding up, fuckers. Sing it! I'm not coming back. I've done something so terrible. I'm terrified to speak. You'd expect that from me. I'm mixed up. I'll be blind down the lane. It's just washing out of my head and out of my guess I'll go home now. I guess I'll go home now. I guess I'll go home. Thank you so much.